What's up guys, and welcome to the 19th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about recursion. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'll do is type void display int, and then your parentheses int from int 2, and then you can say if from is greater or smaller than 2, display ints, and then from say +1 if you want to, and then just 2, put a semicolon there, and then std cout from, probably a new line. Okay, so or not even a new line, just a gap. So then after this, space there, int main parentheses display int, yes, correct, 0 all the way up to, let's say, 10. That should work. Save this. Let's just run through what everything means. Okay, so here where it says void display int, this literally says or defines a function that is recursive, as all C++ functions can be recursive. And then where it says display ints, call the recursive function from itself. So it's calling itself. And then where it says display ints 0 to 10, call the recursive function for the first time. So let's execute this and see what we get. Build succeeded, and we have 10 all the way down to 0. Okay, that's what I wanted to do in this tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.